This video will demonstrate the use of special tool, Air Pressure Regulator. This special tool is used to inspect the function of wastegate valve used in turbocharger of diesel engines. At the time of inspection, this special tool regulates the pressure of compressed air applied on the wastegate valve actuator. Using Air Pressure Regulator. To inspect wastegate valve for its proper function, disconnect the boost pressure pipe connected to the actuator. Connect the special tool to the actuator using the attachment hose. Close the air pressure valve of special tool fully. Connect the compress air line to the special tool. Use a dial gauge mounted on a stand to measure the travel of wastegate valve. Place the dial in such a way that its spindle rests on the outer end of lever connected to rod with small deflection of bigger hand of gauge. Set the dial of the gauge to 0. Open the air pressure valve of special tool gently and adjust the air pressure to specified value. Note down the travel of the valve on the gauge. Travel should be within specified range given in the service manual of the vehicle. If the value is out of specified limit, refer to the service manual for diagnosis and correction. Advantage and benefit. This tool helps to regulate and maintain the air pressure required for the inspection of wastegate valve function. It helps in easy and accurate diagnosis of turbocharger.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.